This story is about a zoo. The main characters are a walrus, a bear, and an old guy. So we have this polar bear here who has his head, named Bilbo, who has his head stuck in whatever that is. And we have this walrus here named Steve choking on a potato.
Then these boys are flying around. Oh, the man, the zookeeper, he's about to go to space, and he says, "Goodbye, peace," and he flies away. Then the boys, alien boys, fly in the neighborhood, and they see the zoo, so they visit the polar bears, and they see that the polar bear has something stuck on his head, and it's a cup stuck on his head. And it gets, it's a magnet cup, and they pull and pull, and it falls off, and that's when
And then a little girl likes, and then she says, "I want some Skittles." And then she says, "I want a hot dog, and I want potatoes for dinner tonight." The end.
And anyway, before the end, the little girl that wants a hot dog and the Skittles is running around and slaps the walrus, which triggers the potato to fly out of his mouth. The end.
So in the end, the walrus